but it is about to pour, because here, I don't know if you can see the weather map. See all that nastiness coming? I'm trying to stay ahead of it. Not cool. But anyway, the camera, if I'm just looking at it through the screen, doesn't show how kind of gray and murky it really is outside. Kind of has that ominous feel to it, because you know a storm is about to pound down on us. But thought I'd video it anyway. It may look different on the computer than it does on my screen, so we'll just see. But I love how the green right now, all this green, I'm gonna slow down as long as nobody's behind me. I'm gonna put you out the window, hang on. I love this look. Oh yeah, there's some thunder. Duck. Oh, two ducks. The other day when I came through here, right here at these two young trees, there was a raccoon. It was a raccoon. He looked like he was washing dishes. It was the funniest thing, and I had passed it, and then I backed up, and he was gone. But you normally don't see raccoons out in the daytime, but he was there. It was funny, and he didn't act sick or anything like that. But that was pretty interesting. There you thunder. Starting to pound down. But I just love it when it's right before a storm. It's my favorite thing. But we're ready for some nasty weather. Let's see if I can pull over here. Oh yeah. Show you the phone again. This is coming our way. Isn't that nice? Oh yeah, here we go. Alright. Howdy ho, here we go. I just love it. Ooh, lightning. Tell you what, turkey buzzards aren't going to be just sitting out in the street today. Unless they want to get the bird poop off each other. I think the photo I put in my video that I had just submitted this morning looked like the bird had bird poop on it. That's what happens when you sit on a branch lower than all your friends. They that crap on you. There are so many small animals that just get smacked on this road. I guess that's what keeps the food chain going. Ooh, big lightning. Sorry about the bouncy, I'm hand holding you. Speeding River's low. But where all that mud is, right up there, that's how high the water's been. Ooh, yeah, there's some thunder. Weather, there will be somebody who does something foolish. We'll get to see it. But the direction I'm going, the storm is behind me coming from the west. So I'm trying to get to my house. The storm's coming back from that way. See if we can see any lightning. And it's not lightening. I'm in Texas. It's lightning. I'm going to pull in for just a split second to this business. And let's see if we can get us some lightning. Lightning. On camera. Oh, there we go. Turn these down a little bit. Get our thunder going on. Ooh, yeah. It is about to be a party. Hang on, y'all, I'm trying to plug my power in. heck with it. Can't get it to. Alright. Well, it just got dark enough that this place, their lights came on automatically. Isn't that great? There we go. Some more lightning. Alright, let's take it to the house.